Hi there, welcome back. So today we have View Wanna by Esther Angel, and this one is pretty decent and it's actually a lot easy to play on guitar with just 4 chord shapes and the same chord progression repeating throughout the whole song. So with no further delay, let's dive into it. As you can see, we don't have any capo, it's completely in a standard tuning. And for this song, the chords are, have a look. The first chord is a D, which is mute mute, open second, third, second. And the next chord is the A, which is a mute 0 2 2 2 0. Then the next chord is the E major, which is 0 2 2 1 0 0. And the next one is F sharp minor, which is basically 2 4 4 2 2 2. A bar chord, but you can play it like this. You can make it more easier. You can make it like this. You can even play one note. I was joking. You can't play one note, but obviously you can just play the G string, B string, and E string to try out the triads. So that's it. Now, one chord progression going throughout the whole song. So just want to say, interrupting in between, I'm sorry. If you won't mind, please subscribe, because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers by this month, and it will not only encourage me to put more better content for you guys, but it will also help me, like when I post a video of a song which came out recently, and just telling it. So it may be some cases, maybe someone sees me and gives the same video, having look at my one, seeing the things, the chord shapes and all. Even if the video quality is bad, his video will be still in the top and I will be getting less views. So I just want, like, this is one of the bad policies of YouTube, but I can't help it. Maybe good for someone. Like if I just be like, I rise up to maybe 20k subs, it may be very good for me. So like, it actually doesn't allow creators to go more up. It actually makes them struggle a lot, which is good from one side. Like it helps to make that content going more better. Like they will be encouraged, no, we have to go up, we have to make more better content. So that's another story. So make sure to subscribe. Let's get started. The chord progression will be a D major, then an E major, then an F sharp minor, then an A major, then an E major and F sharp minor. So for this song specifically, we don't have any strumming pattern. You can just go with one down and that's it. Now just have a look at the rhythm. The chord doesn't go same throughout all the way. We start off playing the D major chord and we rest there for our bar, which means 1 2 3 4. And the next time you play a E major and the F sharp minor, but on the 1 you play the E major, and on the 2 you just move on to the F sharp minor chord. So we got 1 2 3 4, 1 2, and you just wait for another total bar. So we got D 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Let's try a bar. 2 3 4, and you do the exact same thing for the A major, E major and the F sharp minor. So it's actually replacing the D major chord. So we got 2 3 4, 1 2 3, and that's it. So let me play it a couple of times and it will be completely clear for you guys. 1 2 3 4. And that's everything for the song. There's don't need anything to learn. So it's a complete beginner friendly song that you can actually try out on your guitar. And that's it. Hit me down in the comment below any song that you want on guitar. Monday, Tuesday, but next is coming. So these are the days actually free. No new music is actually coming recently. So just let me know in the comment below any other song that you want to learn. Make sure to subscribe, as I always told you. Need to reach 2,000 subscribers. I'm obviously just gonna do the special, very special obviously, but let the vaccine come out so I will be able to go outside and shoot something very nice for you guys. So that's it for this lesson, and I'll see you guys back in the next video dropping one of these, and bye.